In this video, we have been given that AB is 2, BC is 3, CD is 4 and AD is 5. Then we have to find radius of the circle. So ABCD, it is cyclic. So sum of opposite angles, angle BAD plus angle BCD, it will be 180 degrees. That means if this angle is alpha, then this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus alpha, and now if we join BD then in any triangle ABC, if AB is A, AC is B, BC is C, and this angle is alpha, then C square, it is A square plus B square minus 2AB cos alpha, and in triangle ABD, BD square, it will be equal to 2 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 2 times 5 times cos, and angle is alpha, and BD square, it is 4 plus 25 minus 20 cos alpha, and BD square, it is 29 minus 20 cos alpha, and in triangle BCD, BD square, it will be 3 square plus 4 square minus 2 times 3 times 4 times cos, and angle is 180 degrees minus alpha, and cos 180 degrees minus alpha, it is minus cos alpha. So BD square, it is 9 plus 16 minus 24, and cos 180 degrees minus alpha, it is minus cos alpha, and BD square, it is 25 plus 24 cos alpha, and we have BD square is 29 minus 20 cos alpha, we have BD square is 29 minus 20 cos alpha, and we have BD square is 25 plus 24 cos alpha. So from these two equations we can say that 29 minus 20 cos alpha, it will be 25 plus 24 cos alpha, and 29 minus 25, it will be 24 cos alpha plus 20 cos alpha, and it is 4 is equal to 44 cos alpha. So cos alpha, it will be 4 over 44, that will be 1 over 11. So we get cos alpha is 1 over 11, and we know that cos theta is base over hypotenuse, and sin theta, it is perpendicular over hypotenuse, and P, it will be root under h square minus b square over h. So sin alpha, it will be root under 11 square minus 1 square over 11, and it is root under 121 minus 1 is 120 over 11, and it will be 2 times root 30 over 11, and we have BD square is 25 plus 24 cos alpha. We have BD square is 25 plus 24 cos alpha, and BD square, it is 25 plus 24 times, and cos alpha is 1 over 11. It is 1 over 11, and BD square, it is 25 times 11 plus 24 over 11, and it is 275 plus 24 over 11, that will be 299 over 11. So BD, it will be root under 299 over 11, BD, it is root under 299 over 11, and now in any triangle ABC, if BC is A, AC is B, ABC, and radius of circumcircle is R, then A over sin A it is equal to b over sin b. It is equal to c over sin c. It is equal to 2 times radius of circumcircle. And here, suppose the radius of circumcircle is r, then in triangle ABD, BD over sin alpha, it will be 2 times radius of circumcircle, and BD, it is root under 299 over 11 over, and we have sin alpha is 2 times root 30 over 11. Sin alpha, it is 2 times root 30 over 11. It is 2r, and it is root under 299 over 11 times 11 over 2 times root 30. It is 2r, and it is root 299 over root 11 times 11. It is root 11 times root 11 over 2 times root 30. It is 2r, and root 11 will get cancelled, and it is 1 over 2 times root 299 times root 11 over root 30 is equal to 2r, and 1 over 2 times 2 times root 299 times 11 over 30, it will be r, and it is 1 over 4 times root under 299 times 10 plus 1 over 30 is equal to r, and it is 1 over 4 times root under 2990 plus 299 over 30 is equal to r, and it is 1 over 4 times root under 3289 over 30 is equal to r. So radius, it is 1 over 4 times root under 3289 over 30. It is 1 over 4 times root under 3289 over 30